Hi chat! Welcome to the stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, the 8th of March of 2025. We're back for yet another stream. Today's stream is going to be pretty short, unfortunately. Because I thought I was meeting my friend in like mid-afternoon, but he's like, no, we will meet early. So, yeah, we'll see how long stream goes. But hopefully we'll be able to get the thing that I want to get done, and then it'll be chill. I got some notifications to replay. We've got Cran PL, who's resubbed at 29 months. It's great to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. We've got Grandpa's iPad. Wait. Are you getting them out of order now? Uh-oh. We're getting them out of order now. We got Strongly Typed with the bits. Thank you. Appreciate the bits. Cashing in on that. Yes, indeed. Gonna play the next one. Oh, I think it did it out of order again. No! Oh, it is in the right order. All right, there we go. We got Grandpa's iPad, who is resubbed at 53 months. It's great to see you again. Hi, hot. And then we got D-Dels, who also says hi, hot. He hot. We got Beldavis, who is resubbed at... Oh, I forgot to say. D-Dels, tier 3 at 51 months. Holy shit. So many months. We also have Beldavis, who has resubbed with Prime at 47 months. Oh, I butchered it. It could have fraunched that a little bit better. Oh, well. Thank you all for your continued support. It's great to see you again. I hope you are all doing well. Does the shirt have buttons? It does indeed. What? Of course it has buttons. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, though. Looks like D-Dels was first. Wusa was second. Hello. Strongly Typed is also here. We've got Beldathis, who is still here. We got Chandler. Hello. Particularly Pythonic. Good to see you again. Yo. Hello. We've also got Grandpa's iPad, of course, at Cran PL. And yes, that's everybody, I think. And everyone else. Welcome! Holy shit, what the fuck? I don't have that many buttons! What are you doing? What is going on? Hello? What? Did you typo strongly? Are you okay? Strongly typed. I don't think I've ever received this number of gift subs before. I don't have enough buttons for this. Well, here's your buttons nonetheless. Wolford's not even here. Is there context for this, Strongly Typed? Did you mean to type 5 and hit 50? What is going on? Yeah, I just I don't have any buttons left. And unbutton my pants? No, I can't do that. I'm gonna get banned. Well, I guess that takes us straight to Hype Train level 9. Usually I read every sub's name, but I don't. This is gonna be going for a while. I would lose track of every sub's name. Let's see if there's any that I recognize in here. Oh yeah, there's quite a few that I know. That's cool. Something I haven't seen in a while. So, anyway, welcome everyone to Subdom. Explain yourself, Strongly Typed. I need to know. I need to understand what's going on. Are you good? Are you good? Holy shit. What? Okay. On that note, the other server is also here. You somehow dodged. I don't know how you dodged there. Just felt like it? Well, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. More subs and viewers. That's true. I wanted to go through open source from last time. I did one patch. I was bored at work and scrolling through the MyPy issue tracker, and I was like, I saw this issue that seemed funny to me in a piece of MyPy code called StubGen, which I have never used StubGen, but I've always been kind of curious how it works, and have thought about using it at some point or another. And it had a funny little bug. So this was their input code, and their output code should have probably looked something like this. But instead they got this invalid syntax, which is funny, I guess. Cat Peasant, thank you for the additional gift sub. I forgot the collar unbuttons. No, those don't get unbuttoned. Those are just for show. I guess they do get unbuttoned when you put a tie in, but I'm leaving them. They're staying. Thank you, Cat Peasant, for the gift sub to the Endless River. You didn't dodge that stray. Outdated Version has also resubbed at 57 months. Good to see you again, Outdated Version. I hope you're doing well. We've also got David Luke P. David Luke P. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Outdated Version. I hate to break it to you. It's gonna be a bit before your sub notification shows up. But I appreciate your continued support. It's great to see you again. I hope you're doing well. But anyway, I was scrolling through the issue tracker as I do sometimes when I'm really, really bored, and I found this issue that looked interesting. What did you supposedly dodge? Strongly Typed has gifted 50 subs. That's what you dodged. That's what you dodged. Somehow. But anyway, this seemed interesting. I wanted to learn how this worked and how StubGen worked, and so I dove into the code to try and figure it out. And I found the piece of code, the debugger, in about 3 minutes, because I'm good at doing that. And so I started figuring out, I mean, the problem was very obvious. As soon as I stared at the code, I saw this line, I was like, wait a minute. This function doesn't differentiate none, like actually a default of none, or a value that's missing. Now, interestingly enough, there is specialized code to handle none. But this code is dead. What more? What are you doing? Your new job must be pretty sick, Strongly Typed. Thank you for the 10 more gift subs. Jesus Christ. I don't. What is going on? What is going on, chat? This is like 2020 all over again. Thank you. I appreciate it, Strongly Typed. You really don't have to, but I appreciate it. Damn. You're just gonna try and get the notification going all stream. Oh, holy shit. Oh man. Well then, we've also got Dealbert, who has followed. Welcome to the stream. I don't have any more buttons. Schwarzchild's also here. Hello, hello. It's going well. It's going well. It's good to see you again. Dealbert says, I got a gifted sub and I wasn't even following you. I guess I have to follow now. It's working. It's working. Welcome to the stream, Dealbert. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, Twitch does this thing where they have a percentage of gift subs that are given out that are given to previous subscribers, current followers, and then just random viewers. And then if they run out of those, you just get random people that have watched stuff in the category. Strongly Type says, what's funnier is my internet is so bad I can barely understand what you're saying. Oh no. Oh no. Chronix, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Well, I will... Oop, that didn't tab complete. There we go. You got a typed message, so you can definitely hear what that one is. But anyway, I noticed there was specialized code for handling none, but it was impossible for it to hit this because of the way the code was set up. Specifically because this branch here meant that if none was here and it got into here, it could never return back none here. Unless somehow, I actually don't think it's possible. Like maybe if there was a explicit string annotation of none, it could hit this branch, but as far as I could tell, this code was dead. Which is fine. I adjusted the code down here to handle missing argument, and the code down here to also handle missing argument. And that allowed this to be able to pass none along, and then I wrote a little test. The test was really weird. This is like load bearing for some reason. If I didn't have this here, it somehow generated a function that was just star args star star quargs, and I don't really understand that. But I was too lazy to dig into the code to figure it out. I was like, well, I'll just copy paste one of the other tests that I know works, even though I I was trying to start from like a minimal set of code to reproduce the test, and then I was like, fuck it, copy paste. That'll be good enough. But yeah, that's my open source since last time. I did that because I was bored. Smile. Yeah, that was fun. I also need to merge this today. Someone added UV support to identify, and Lamau, UV can run anything, not just Python. So classifying UV as Python is not valid. So we are backing out that change. I forgot to merge this. Good thing I opened this thing when I started stream and remembered to merge it. Now I can release it. Caleb FJ, hello, welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. It's good to see you again. Johnny Type says, been wanting gift for a long time. Now I have more than enough spare cash, so that's that. What the fuck? Fuck off. Why am I getting Xbox Live notifications? I haven't had an Xbox Live account in decades. Wow Tech, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Getting SFP in a third world country really is a bit too much. Hey, there you go. Yeah, Strong Type was Drunk Time Lord. True. Oh, get Chloe. What am I doing? Typo. Bump patch. Since the versioning here is non-standard. Aha, 69. IPI token. Oh, where is it? That Warden keeps like subtly changing their UI. Kind of annoying. But is what it is. Cool. That's out of the way. Yeah, that. Hey, it's hype chest time. What emote did we get? What? Rude? You missed. It's kind of a cute little emote, but a little goofy. Anyway, thank you for the hype train. It's mostly strongly typed. Appreciate it. Yeah, Cat Peasant. It's Drunk Time Lord. It's Drunk Time Lord. Big Keynote. Welcome to the stream. Hello. How you doing? What was I doing? That did this thing. This one. Other patch. You streamed some open source in Belantro a couple days ago. Ooh. I have not. Thumbs up. There's Danita. That's a cool name. Yeah, this seems fine. If it breaks, it breaks. It's just a one, so it shouldn't matter. Yeah, the server got subbed. Oh, we're getting close to the end, I think. This should be outdated version now. Hey, there we go. I thought it said you missed emote, but it's actually an emote. Yeah, it is just, it is literally, oh, why isn't it temp complete? There we go. Ta-da! Yeah, this seems fine. The question is, do I bother with a release? Releasing this thing is such a pain in the ass. Could do this. Has Shellcheck made a new release? That would be the most convenient. Why did I link here instead of GitHub? Almost a year. No, wait, a year and it has been a year. It's 2025. March 7th of 2024. It's been exactly a year and a day. Crazy. Gotta leave. Well, thank you for stopping by, Strongly Typed. I appreciate it. Yeah. Wait, you got 3 more notifications and then you can leave. No, you're free to leave. I appreciate it. Thank you for the gift subs and congrats on your new job. And I will see you around. Okay. Merge that. That's out of the way. Okay, we can work on Predicament CI stuff now. Yeah. Murdy Mir says, what should I do with my 22.3k channel points? Whatever your heart desires, Murdy Mir. There's not too many interesting things that you can do with your channel points. I've been meaning to make more funny ones, but I haven't in a while, so. Make him stand up and then sit back down. Okay, so last time we made a settings view, but didn't actually hook it up, if I remember correctly. Sign into my second GitHub account. Use for testing. Paste. Seem to remember it shows my phone number sometimes, so it's. You don't get to see my phone number. Cause ring. It didn't actually show my phone number. We're being redirected to the authorized application, yes. Oh, we changed the Babby theme. What's the theme today, chat? Oh, it's Night Owl. Night Owl is back. No matches, sad face. Nice. I'm not even gonna let chat veto this one. This one looks pretty good. We're gonna let this one stick around. So I seem to remember what is it? Settings, GitHub. Is this the fuck? What is the URL for this? Is it the oh my god. Is it settings / GitHub / number? Hey, there we go. We were gonna add more padding there. Did we do that? I don't even remember. Some legacy code used distutils.copytree, replaced it with shutil.copytree, and broke prod because the latter you need dirs exist okay for the same behavior. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, tests would have been helpful there. I thought we added padding here. MY4? That sounds like margin Y direction 4. Do we have that here? Oh no, my CSRF token. Yeah, form check MY4. Okay, so we already added the padding. Cool. But we didn't make this do anything. Wait, we made it submit, but it doesn't do anything. So let's do that. Work on this tab so that chat can see what's going on. Can't say I haven't broken our SDK due to the same bug before. Yeah. Yeah, the copy tree behavior is a little bit weird. It's also like subtly different than CP-R, even though it like advertises in its law or in its docs that it's supposed to be CP-R, but that's the way things go. Okay, what the fuck? Web blueprints settings. So we did the getter, we need to do the updater. Oh yeah, we just made it redirect. So I know we need to do a flash message because there's going to be a new one. Flash message. Settings updated. What do I want the words for this to be? Gotta do os.walk, os.makers, and shutil.copy manually. Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. It's unfortunate. Oh, shut up, phone. Oh, please. All right, I think I'm just gonna say the organization settings were updated successfully. I don't even have to say that though. I can just say they were. Organization, no. Subscription settings have been updated! Exclamation mark. Yeah. Set flash session value. Yeah. Did you mean flash instead of flask? Did I say flask? No, it's supposed to be flash. It's like it's like the like temporary messages that show up at the top of the screen. I don't know why they're called flash messages. I don't know that they're actually called flash messages. That's just what they called them at their first job, and that's what I'm calling them here. Toast messages? Toast, I think, is specifically like mobile, but I also don't know. Grandpa's iPad says, anything new with Pigment CI? It seems like a no-brainer for companies to use, even as a paid product. I agree, Grandpa's iPad. I haven't done any marketing, but how can I show this? Describe tables. Gonna work? Prod temp cannot be found. Is it prod temp? Is it prod? Is it temp? Is it you look at my face while I look at my AWS creds? Oh, I don't have one. That would be why. I don't have a... Anyway, I looked at this the other day and I have about 100, or no, is it 85 or 100? Somewhere between 85 and 100 paid plans, which is slowly going up over time. It was like 60 paid plans this time last year, but that's extremely slow growth. And I sort of know how to growth. It's literally advertisements, but I haven't done advertisements, so yeah. Rugs? Okay, but anyway, this logic here is all the same. So I need to basically reproduce that. But the feature that we're actually building right now is specifically because a company was like, I want to pay for this, but I need this feature. So that's why we're building it. Chandler says, it's MyPy. I thought you were fixing NumPy? No, MyPy. Yeah. I don't touch NumPy at all here, ever. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have a little gate function. It's going to take the service account ID int, and what is it going to return? It is either going to return response or none for this case, or it's going to return the install and the plan. But actually, let's not do this part here. And then all of the errors are just go. That actually makes it easier. So this is either tuple install plan or none. But I think it's a specific type of install, not the dev data. It is actually just install. Okay, that seems fine. And it's not or none, because it will raise in the other cases. So that's actually not. And it actually needs to take in the session. We'll pass that along. Session. Do I need service anymore? I do. Session. Oh, and I guess technically a post failure shouldn't be a 404. It should be a 40 something else. Does it matter? What do we do on the other one? Blueprints. The badge. Ashley, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Welcome back. The Pokemon stuff forced you into NumPy. That's true. That's true. I would argue NumPy is actually one of the better data science-y libraries, and actually hella fast. Only way I got it even faster was vectorized Fortran with some SIMD compiler stuff. Yeah. The problem with NumPy is it does a lot of sort of like the whole projection idea is very unfamiliar to anyone who's just done normal Python, and so it sort of subverts how Python works in a funky way. Okay, these are all just the retrieval endpoints. Where is the rotate token one? New batch token, here we go. Okay, so we 403 in that case. So I guess we'll do the same here. All right, so then we can just take this code, put it here, and then code. Why is code blue? I don't know. I guess all variables are blue. Sure. Return install plan. Yes. There's a lot of italics in this font, I'm realizing. Sessions, service, account ID. Undefined name. Oh, I guess this is called session. Why is it called session? Because that's weird. It should actually be called sessions. But Brooks? Me no fizzy. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you're doing well. That's a good name. I like that. I like that a lot. Undefined name, install and plan. Install plan. This error code color is wild. Wild coloring here. Yeah, the lint pane uses the theme colors. It's actually it's wild actually. I didn't realize. I mean, I sort of intuitively knew it did, but session has no attribute GitHub installs. Oh, I have the wrong session type. Ah, this one is sessions. There we go. This is the right one. Session. This should be sessions. None of session, none. Oh. I guess we'll just put an insert here. Sessions dot, well actually, if we would just pass in GitHub session. No, we gotta make this generic at some point. Ah! No, that's future me's problem. Sessions dot GitHub is not none. And then those last two make sense. We will add them as we get to them. All right, so I'm just gonna make code required rather than giving it a default. That way we're explicit. Gate code equals 404. Go down here and do the same thing, but gate code equals 403. We also need to do this here. Yes, but abort case. Oh, that was weird. Oh, I guess. Wait, this is a different era color than this one. How did I pick the one down here? How does that work? We're gonna look. We're gonna see how it works. The other server says, is the mapping type not mutable? Correct. Mapping is an immutable type. I never saw mutable mapping before. I actually wish there was fdict. Also, what's a mapping that's not a dict in Python? Here's one example. os.environ is a special environment dictionary doodad. Although oh, it doesn't have. I thought it had dict in its MRO, but it does not. So here's a mapping that's not a dict. My argument, my little hill that I die on is that mutable mapping is one of the most useless types in Python. And you almost never want to use it because most of the point of the ABCs is usually for variance issues. Usually. Like using sequence over list of something when you can pass in an immutable version that's a subtype of the value types. Mutable mapping doesn't help you with that because it's mutable, so it's not covariant. I'm gonna say the wrong one because I can't actually remember. Can't give them all straight. But anyway, yes, fdict. I wanted to look at Babby linting. Babby linters. No, this isn't either. Where is the oh, it's gonna be HL maybe. Syntax selection lint errors. Aha, I wrote a grammar for it. I called it .demo. Why did I do that? I don't know. I probably should have called it something else. This is the tool name. This is the oh, I just used the invalid grammar key. So if a theme highlights invalid, then this will happen. os.environ is mutable even though it shows mapping, which is immutable. Oh, type os.environ.mro. So it has mutable mapping and mapping. Mutable mapping extends mapping by adding set item and friends. There's a table. There's a table here, if I remember correctly. Mutable mapping. Yeah, so mutable mapping extends mapping but adds these things. Actually, I'm surprised that mapping doesn't have len. Oh wait, no, that's not what it is. These are the ones it adds. These are the same ones that you get from mapping up here. And I guess you also get these ones. Oh, inherited mapping methods. Why doesn't it just say that here then? Yeah, but basically extend this, implement these, and you get all of this shit for free. Is sort of how the collections ABCs work. Cool. I don't know why you would ever do this, but this is kind of cool. I'm surprised that's all you need for all these other ones. Anyway, kind of neat. Kind of neat. I mean, it makes sense. It's just containment, and then everything else is derived from that. Okay, so we retrieve the install and the plan. What the fuck do we do from there? I don't remember how forms work in HTML, so I'm gonna copy the form and then just post it to a random thing. Web blueprints. No, web templates settings. We're just gonna do this. e.html. Localhost 9001. Method equals post. Yeah. Don't need you. Oh. We need this. Name equals allow missing config. That's what's on here. ID equals oh, and then checked if it's defaulted, but we don't care about that. And then submit button. Okay, we have a form. You make a simple Flask app. Virtual env we have pip install Flask. Vidal says, I recently had to explain how to send a multi-part form with an array of items to a less technical person. That was not fun. Dude, multi-part is fucking so complicated for some goddamn reason. Not to mention all the like weird boundary stuff when you do file attachments and no part of that is fun. We are going to, oh no, where's my little app here? I didn't want to write the Flask skeleton, so I'm trying to find a place to copy one. Oh. Workspace / Nintendo microcontrollers / app.py to here. That work? Yay, we have a Flask app. Make this post to /wat. App.post. Wait, you can do this? Why am I doing it this stupid way over here? Why am I using .route? Whatever. Breakapoint. Flask run. -p 9001. Hell yeah. Firefox t.html. Wow. Invalid reason code for ping usage reporting. Okay, cool. And if I click submit, flask.g.request. Flask.request? Where is it? Flask.request.post? No. Flask.request.params? Data? Empty string. Flask.request.form. Nothing. Okay. Continue. Internal server error, fine. If we check the box, flask.request.form. Wow, we get allow missing config on. This lines up with what I remember, which is cool. So we just need to check this is inside of our form for each of our settings. Covariance and contravariance is hard to grasp. I got a little bit better at it, so when I get an error, I get a feeling that it's related to variance. I just try both whenever until it works. Yeah. The other nice thing, well, I say nice thing. The new generic syntax, the like funky generic syntax that my editor still doesn't quite know how to highlight properly. Variance is inferred, so you don't have to really worry about it. And there is a way to do it with the old syntax, but I can never remember it. Honestly, I've been using the new syntax at work, and it's bad, but it's not the worst. Flask.request.data. So this will be empty because Flask has read it as part of the form, I think. scoops up the original body, so it's gone. That's fine. Like, yay, we quit. Now we go here and we do a thing. What do thing? Oop. Well, I just siginted Firefox. That's what I wanted to do. Web data plan. So we need to set plan, but we really need a set plan options. Yeah. Ooh, this is actually interesting. I could probably reuse this for form. But the problem is I don't want to do that. So we just need to get the keys. This is the key. And we need the options, plan option. None. What is the color scheme in your Vim? I don't know what my Vim color scheme is. Boring ass default. Welcome to stream. Your farm. Yeah, if you do bang theme, this theme was set by DDLs using channel point. It is called Night Owl and can be downloaded from this URL. Hey, there we go. I don't remember if I have a thing for this. Do I have a thing to just update? Surely I've done this before, right? Well, iFace, AV store, get item, query index, scan, put item, delete bulk, update item. Update item. That sounds like what we want. So we would like to KV store dot update item, table name, hash key equals key, updates equals, should just be options, and then I think there's a way to do this. Your fun, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Also, I missed Typuria. Thank you as well for the follow. I feel like there's a way to do this. Oh, it's just fucking built in. What am I doing? Options.asdict. Right? Yes. What theme is this? Yeah. There's some smarts for it too. Yeah. I think this is right. It seems right. The question is, what does update item actually do? Web impl alias AV store update item. Is it get and then put? No, it's specifically update item. Do I need that permission in Terraform? Let's see. I guess we can just try and see what happens, right? Wait. Oh, we do specifically have that. And it does seem to be separate from put item. Fuck me. Okay. Well then. I guess we will also add that to plans. Update item. Cool. Check out our main -b web can update plans. Allow web to update item on plans. Wow, that was so fast. Yeah. Just check it on the time. See how much time I have left. It's not much. It's cool. Trying to organize people for later. It's a Pokemon day. Spoilers. That's what it is. That's why is this waiting for Stess? Usually this is very fast. Oh, I'm still logged in? Hell yeah. What the fuck? Why is it changing this? Oh, maybe I never applied it from last time. That would make sense. And here's the new item. Oh, and it reordered these, so we got drift. That's so funny. Okay, that seems fine though. Merge. Then we gotta go apply these. Fraud as well. Oh, we never applied this. Let's just do... Oh, I'm already on the overview. Where's the runs? View all runs. There we go. Ending. So we go here and do this. Okay, so this looks fine. It's just update item. Let's apply that in dev. Yep, that's dev. Cool. Cami Gold says, I drank so much coffee I got scared folding my clothes. That's funny. So, I actually have a silly story related. I never drink caffeine, or I never consume caffeine. Like, almost never. Very, 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 very rarely. And most of the times that I consume caffeine, it's on accident. It's like, I'll get the wrong brand of root beer, I'll drink it, and I'll be like, I feel shaky and funny. And then I look at the bottle, and it's like, yep, caffeinated. I'm like, fuck. I get like a funky little high, and then a terrible crash. Almost every time I consume caffeine. The other day, right before bed, I had some dark chocolate as a small treat. And chocolate doesn't really have caffeine in it, but it has a few chemicals that act a lot similar to caffeine. And I was buzzing. I could not sleep. My heart was racing. My chest was pounding, and I'm just laying there and I'm like, fuck, I want to sleep. Why am I wide awake? And it was because I had chocolate right before bed. What am I doing? I am running the validation because we follow procedures when doing changes. Before bed is awful. Yeah, well, I didn't think chocolate would trigger it, but like, oh man. We had a failure? Oh yeah, that was when we were fixing stuff. Right. Mizoot, hello. Welcome back. Been a bit. Good to see you again. Run workflow. Oh, I started the playlist from the beginning today. That's uncharacteristic of me. I was like, I don't remember this song because it's been forever since I've just started from the beginning. Nice. Okay. Demo. In real time. Wow. Look at the PR. Look at it go. Ta-da! Game Gold says, I just wanted to drink a bunch of coffee for some try hack me training, but now I'm all over the place. RIP but GLHF, yeah. That's funny. You're macro dosing caffeine. Okay, that seems good in dev, so we will also apply prod. Just gonna double check this. It turned this plan because we added this here. No, not there. Here's the one for plans. We added plans in here. Oh, I see the table names change here. So here. God, the diff here is abysmal. Why? Why? Hang on. I'm just making sure that I keep track of time. Forget. Oh, hang on. Yeah. And I'd set my alarm incorrectly, so. Kimilos EU, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. From the EU. Yeah, this plan looks fine. We're gonna apply. And now, what? Doing great. Good to hear. The time is 11:35 a.m. Oh, god damn it. Why? Why is this always fucked? I don't know why. This checkbox unchecks itself every fucking time. It's very annoying. Anyway, thank you for the clock reminder, details. Do I need to make a cron tab to like continually turn on NTP? Maybe it unchecks when your internet drops? Maybe, Strange Sorcerer. But why would it do that? I saw Python and recommended streams had to come. Nice! Welcome, welcome. We are indeed writing some Python today. Today we are working on Precommit CI, which is my CI startup that I made based on the open source linting and code formatting framework that I wrote called Precommit. Again, the idea of Precommit CI is auto-fix your PRs and run Precommit really fucking fast. That's basically it. I'm really proud of this, and we're working on a special feature today for paid customers, which allows them to skip runs when they don't have a configuration. So if they just want to blanket apply it across all of their repos, fire and forget, never have to configure it again, we're optimizing for that workflow. And we're just right now we're working on allowing them to set up the configure it in the web UI. That's what we're trying to do. Web blueprints settings. And we're very close. We just need to do what? You know, maybe I do adapt this function here. Let's do that. Test data plan test. No, plans test. We're not at work. We don't have stupid naming conventions. Work puts test at the beginning instead of at the end, which absolutely destroys tab completion. Drives me nuts. From web.data.plans import plan options. Test plan options from dict flask flask form. Ret equals plan options dot from dict. It's gonna be an empty forum for Flask. Assert ret dot allow missing config is false. Plan options dot from dict. We're gonna have allow missing config to on. Assert ret dot allow missing config is true. This plan options from dict dynamo. Again, empty dict. Actually, we'll just I actually don't know how dynamo represents booleans, but we'll just do it this way. Missing. Actually, this can just be parameterized. Nah, this is more straightforward. Exonity, thank you for the resub at 50 months with some drunk noodle. Some drunk noodle. What keyword is that? Hey, look at the bot doing its job. Welcome to the stream, Camilos. And I hope the bot serves you well. Allow missing config is true. And then we'll just see here as well. False. And that test should be failing. Indeed it is. Assert on is true. Indeed. I believe we can just put bool here. And then it should pass. Cool. Whoa. New options equals. Actually, we do not care about either of these. We actually don't care about the install or the plan, do we? You can just do this and ignore the return values. New options equals plan options dot from dicts, and I think MyPy should complain about this. Flask.request.form. And then we will do, what is the fucking things in here? Nope. Set plan options. Service equals service. Account ID equals account ID. Product equals classic. We only have options for the classic plan. And then options equals new options. And then we can do flash. No. Set flash. Set flash. Flash message of flask.session. And what was the flash message that we made? Settings updated. Settings updated. And then we redirect back to the settings page. Simple enough. Did I type flask message? I did. God damn it. Flash message. Login URL is assigned but never used. Indeed. What is this? Mega consume. I like that. Camila says, to be honest, I prefer software development over game development. Me too. But I found myself in a rabbit hole of good game dev streamers here on Twitch and couldn't find a software dev on stream. I can already see I found one now. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I kind of feel the same way. I don't really like watching game dev streams that much, but some of them are good. Set plan options. It's Sharon. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Plan options. Hooray, linter happy. And type check, surely that's good enough, right? I know we talked about this earlier on, but am I crazier to say flask message in flash.py, right? I've typoed this so many times. But no, it is indeed an H here. In the dict. Oh, fuck me. You're right. The linter knows too. Stinky outdated version. Pre-commit would have caught it when we went to go commit, but so interestingly enough, whoa, you have all the Godot emotes. That's funny. Godot is a game engine. Indeed, I do know this. There's a. I told this story last stream, but there was an all hands meeting at my job, which is I work at Sentry as a staff software engineer on the developer infrastructure team. And there was an all hands where somebody was talking about a new SDK that they added for the Godot language. And they must have said Godot like 20 or 30 times, and I'm just like, fuck. You should at least know how to pronounce the goddamn language if you're gonna advertise new support for it. But it was probably just they had never heard it spoken out loud. They had only seen it in writing. GD script is the language. Yeah, that's true. But if you talk about, it sounds a lot more flashy to say that, oh, we have a Godot SDK versus saying, oh, we have a GD script SDK. But yeah. Okay, let's just double check this a little bit. We didn't write too many tests for this, but I think it's mostly fine. Moved that logic there. And we actually don't need that there. Cool. Set plan options, set flash, redirect. Modified that a little bit. It seems should be good to go. We will try it in the development environment. Git push origin head dash F. You have a typo in your links on Twitch. Dixword instead of Dixword. welcome to the stream, Kalilos. I'll let you in on a little secret. It's one of our inside jokes. It's also kind of funny because it's sort of unintentionally, intentionally farms a little tiny bit of engagement. But it's a special little bit of me being brain broken, and I think it's funnier in my head to think of it as Dixword. And so, what? Did coverage drop below something? Oh my god. God damn it. I made the typo again. Oh, we already have Flash imported. I should have just done it that way. That's so funny. I guess if I would have run the test, I would have noticed that. Yeah. Yep. What CI is for? You don't break your site. Have time? No, we got like a little bit more. Did I still write Flask? Did I do it again? Flash, .set flash. God damn it! Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Strange Sorcerer. I don't have a test to catch that though. Oh. Funny the test didn't catch that. I don't have a test for this view. I could write them, but yeah. The types are pretty good. I'm surprised. I'm surprised that MyPy didn't catch this. I'm surprised MyPy didn't catch that. Why didn't it? Reveal type flask.flash message. Revealed type is any. Revealed type is model type. Does it know about Flask at all? Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh. No. No. Let's see if they fixed it. Why is this taking so long to load? GitHub? What's Flask WTF? It's a forums library. Remove previously deprecated code. Okay, so it is fixed. Holy shit, why is this so slow? I don't think it's released though. Wow. I haven't seen this in a while. Is GitHub having a day ending in Y? Yeah, so this is unreleased. We'll see if somebody else is playing about this. I have an unfortunately named bit in my web app called Flash, and I've used Flask for years, and my my fingers tend to typo one as the other. I had a file like this. Which is obviously wrong. Flask doesn't have a flash message. But it was passing MyPy due to an error. What did they call it? Name stir. Name stir in init.py. It might be better to guard that behind a if not t.type checking box such that MyPy doesn't pick up on the doesn't pick that up and lead to misleading result. Not a big deal though, and I see that the block is already, and I see that the error already removed in line. I guess another approach would be to overload this. Oh no. Another idea would be to use overload on getter such that it only allows the particular literals. I don't know if MyPy even understands that though. Let's see if it does. Def getter. So name stir to any, and we from typing import literal and any and overload. Name literal version stir, and we don't define any other overloads. And then t2.py import t print t.version field type t.version field type t.wat mypy. Defined, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Invalid signature callable literal version stir for getter. Single overload definition multiple required. What happens if we... I mean, this is invalid already, I think, due to weird reasons. Let's just add a second one, just to make one of the errors go away. Invalid signature. Damn. Beast Thing, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Why? No. It looks like MyPy doesn't even support that. If there's a thing for that. Module getter. Kind of weird. This is somebody asking for the same thing. Sure. And Tom, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I unfortunately named a bit in my web called Flash, and I've used Flash for years, and my fingers tend to type on one as the other. Add a file like this, simplified. Flash message, which is obviously wrong. Flash doesn't have a Flash message, but it was passing MyPy due to def getter in init.py. It might be better to guard that behind an if not type checking block, such that MyPy doesn't pick that up, leading to misleading results. Not a big deal though. I see that double under getter has already moved to mainline, and their idea would be to use overload such that it only allows particular literals, but it looks like MyPy doesn't even support that, so never mind. Great. Wolfred, hello. Good to see you again. You missed some gift subs, buddy. But welcome back. There hasn't been a Flask release in a long time. Yeah, it's mostly stable. And David's usually pretty busy. He's not a huge fan of strong types. Type checking annotations might trigger an I don't care reply. But he went and typed all of Flask. I think he's changed his mind on types. At least that was my understanding. Does the union of stern literal for the base definition fix that? It makes doesn't make that. It doesn't really make sense, but it might fix the error. So the problem is that this is the error on the overload line. So the overload signature is just wrong entirely. So it discarded the entire implementation. Sebasnog says, why might people use italics and might? What does it mean? It's just like a cheeky way to be like, well, it might. Did I do that here? Where did I do it? It might be better. I'm not saying like it's a I don't know. Instead of saying definitively like it might be better to guard that behind it, blah blah blah. It might be better to guard that behind it. Da, 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 da. I don't know. Doesn't fucking matter. I see the meat is out. Strongly type came in here and went crazy. It's true, Wolfred. That is exactly what happened. That is exactly what happened. Yeah. Anyway, we made our issue. We figured our shit out. Rabbit hole. Let's redeploy this to dev and see if we can get our stuff working. I'm gonna fill up my water while that does that. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, we back. It's deployed to dev, so we should be able to refresh this page. And it has the updated form. If we click this button and then submit, hooray! If we uncheck it and submit, hooray! Cool. Our little shitty form works. What do we got from DNL's a blue sky image? Some spicy meatballs there. Okay, so we have the settings view. We still need to link to it, and we still need to implement the actual backend that reads it. And I have all of 15 minutes to do that. So it is speed run time, chat. Let's see if we can do this quickly. Workspace, pre-commit, CI, runner. Yeah. Speed plans, plan settings, yeah. Spicy meatballs, yes, build on this. Sorry about the traffic, I have to commute to a video call. That's the spicy meatballs. Alright, runner, data, plans. I'm so inconsistent with the pluralization here, but it's fine. Web data plans. Why only 15 minutes? Hey, Ormus, hello. I thought I was meeting friends this afternoon, but they were like, JK, we're meeting at 12:30. So we're pushing it today. Dead Robot Dev, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Your name sounds familiar. I feel like you've been here before, but maybe your name is just similar. We're your only friends. Yeah, speedrun stream. Yeah, unfortunately a short one today. I might stream later today if we don't finish this. We'll see. We will see. All right, I think I really need to retrieve. So, how does this even work? I gotta hook this shit up too. Oh. Forgot how all my meta table stuff works. Plans. Go. Cyber Bladefish. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah. Yeah. We got that. Then we need web data plans to runner data plans. And we do not need any of the modification parts. And I know, copy paste not the best. I should make a schemas thing at some point. But alas, this is how things are working for now. So runner worker, or shut up. Gotta set another alarm so that I don't miss the thing. I don't want to be late. Come on. Okay. Dinnerbad says, I've been here before. Good memory. Doing good. Thanks. How about yourself? I'm doing well. We're trying to speed our way through this though. Somewhere in here I have a big number. Nope, not that one. This one. Make a way to configure this. Yeah. Orma says, I've seen a really cool job I want to go for. I'm working towards building the domain knowledge I need, but don't think I'm ready. Should I apply anyway? I don't think I'll get it. I mean, my mentality as an overly confident person is, who cares if you're not qualified? At least apply, and like worst case you get deferred, and like, you know, you can find some way to get in the door and maybe get lucky, you'll be fine. Also, it's very rare that you actually know how to do your job when you get it. Unless you're in a very specialized field and being hired for a very specialized role, you're gonna have to learn something anyway, and so I wouldn't worry about being a perfect fit for a job. A lot of times people are just hiring generic software engineering anyway, so. Okay, I don't remember which one of these is, I can just check. It is not here. Install ID 244. This one. So this is the one we're leaving. This is the customer, and I will tell them to reconfigure, and then yeah. What tool is that? Which thing? This? 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 I don't know how fast you go. It's about how long you can last. Step can't game. Hey, there you go. I still don't know how to do my job. I'm responsible for the tool that saves every human on the earth. Oh, I see. You're talking to Def Can't Game. I see. What tool is that? Yes. Oh no. Okay, so we need to retrieve the plan at this point. Runner data plans. Get plan. Plan equals get plan. Service equals. Do we have service in here? I don't know. There's a whole bunch of shit here. We do have service. We have service. Do we have account ID? We don't, but we can pull it in. Probably. God, I hope it's in this blob. I don't actually know. It'd be really annoying if it's not. Get plan. Service equals service. Account ID equals account ID. And product equals classic. Or plan is not none, and plan.options.allow missing config. Do I just edit their data in the database? I'm gonna do that real quick. Got 6 minutes. We're running out of time. Running out of time. Root user. Password manager. Yes. Oh. Flask Lord replied to me. Yes. A code. Join tab. I know I'm time save for the next run. Yeah, to be clear, I don't give a fuck. All right, we're gonna edit this customer. G-Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Also, if I forgot Cyberbladefish, you're getting 2 welcomes this time. Welcome to the stream. Wilfred says if it isn't the taco meat, it doesn't save me. Nice. Oh, I lied. Earlier I said 85 paid accounts. I have 83 paid accounts. Shit, how am I gonna find this person's account? Is a problem. Is problem. Shit. We have their install ID. All GitHub this. And GitHub this classic. And we have paid plan and edit item. We can add options. Did I call it options? I did. Now we can set allow missing config to true. Then we can have edited them in the database. So I can get rid of this logic here. Plan is not known and plan at options don't allow missing config. Does this fit on one line? It does not. I already timed that out. They're testers? Yeah, they're the ones that asked for the feature, so. That's why we're doing it. All right, so this should name error. And from runner.data.plans import get plan. Account ID. All right, we need to see if that's actually the dictionary, otherwise we have more shit to edit. Web, blueprints, GitHub. Please. No. Wait, what the fuck? Where's the in queue? Oh. Why do I not have the account ID here? Fuck. I have the repo ID. I have the owner name. I have the install ID. Maybe the run itself has it. Fuck. Oh, this is annoying. I have 60 seconds, so we're not finishing this today. God damn it. I don't have account ID. Welp. We'll have to finish this later. Yeah. Do you have metrics on how often pre-commit is run on repos? Yeah, I can show you my little dashboard. My dashboard Ruski. Not that one. I want metrics. No, not Dynamo. Why am I in the wrong service? I need to leave right now, but I'm gonna show you anyway. All metrics, CI runs, metrics with no dimensions. Let's say just failures, successes, and prepare errors. These are the 3 types of runs. We'll look in a week and we will set it to daily. These numbers seem way too low. Oh, this is duration. We want not average, we want count. And you can see that some days, holy shit. What? What the fuck? Why are there thousands of failures on whatever this day is? But also it's not showing me the number. How do I view this as a table? Table. I think some average. Oh, because I didn't change all these. Need to all be count. Then we can put it back as line. Number is still. Oh, because this is still. Why doesn't it change them all? God damn it. 1 day. Okay, so for instance, on the 3rd of March, we ran almost 14,000 runs. No. 16, 17. Almost 20,000 runs, of which 13,000 succeeded. God damn it, everything is falling. Lost a piece of my pen. I don't know where it went. Anyway, about 20,000 runs, 13K succeeded. 3,500 failed and 1,300 failed to start. Yeah, so there's some numbers. If you want total runs of all time, because I haven't implemented data retention on the runs table yet in my to-do list, there have been 6.7 million runs. Monday is auto update day, so that's when most things run. Anyway, that's your episode for today, because I gotta run. I am late already. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode, where I have cool videos. Go subscribe there, and yeah, if you missed any part of the stream, those end up on the VODs channel, anthonywritescode-vods, and join the Discord. That's where I announce streams, and that's where you can come hang out and have a good time. That's gonna wrap us up for today. I have to leave. Bye, chat. I'll see you around. Have a good one. Maybe I'll see you later today. Maybe. Maybe usually means no. So anyway, bye. Have a good one. Bye.